دا دکان د چا دی؟ Whose shop is this? Whose shop is this? Whose shop is this? دا زما د ورور دکان دی. This is my brother's shop. This is my brother's shop. This is my brother's shop. دا زمونږ ګاونډي دی. This is our neighbor. This is our neighbor. This is our neighbor. ته څه شي پسې ګرځې یا ته څه ګورې؟ What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? زه یو کتاب پسې ګرځم یا زه یو کتاب ګورم. I'm looking for a book. I'm looking for a book. I'm looking for a book. ته څه شی وې یا ته څه وې؟ What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? زه هیڅ هم نه ویم. I'm saying nothing. I'm saying nothing. I'm saying nothing. زه چې کله ښکته شم نو زما په ملا باندې درد راځي. My back hurts while bending. My back hurts while bending. My back hurts while bending. ما هغې ته وویل چې انتظار وکړه. I told her to wait. I told her to wait. I told her to wait. ته چرته روانې یا ته چرته ځې؟ Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? زه ښار ته ځمه چې لږ څه واخلمه. I'm going to city to buy something. I'm going to city to buy something. I'm going to city to buy something. تا هغه ته څه نصیحت وکړو؟ What did you advise him? What did you advise him? What did you advise him? ما هغه ته نصیحت وکړو چې هلته لاړ نه شي. I advised him not to go there. I advised him not to go there. I advised him not to go there. سلیم تر اوسه پورې نه دی راغلی. Salim has not come yet. Salim has not come yet. Salim has not come yet. دا زما موټر دی. This is my car. This is my car. This is my car. د دې موټر نه لرې ودرېږه. Stay away from this car. Stay away from this car. Stay away from this car. ما ته ښکاري چې نن ته وختي پاڅېدلی. I think you got up early today. I think you got up early today. I think you got up early today. زه سهار کې وختي نشم پاڅېدی. I don't get up early in the morning. I don't get up early in the morning. I don't get up early in the morning. Naveed نن سبا څه شی کوي؟ What is Naveed doing these days? What is Naveed doing these days? What is Naveed doing these days? نن به مونږه کومه لوبه کوو؟ What will we play today? What will we play today? What will we play today? نن به مونږه د فوټبال لوبه کوو. Today we will play football game. Today we will play football game. Today we will play football game.